Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. So if you also want to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Phantom Wallet application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Phantom Wallet application has been opened. Make sure to create an account for yourself. Make sure to be logged into your account. Here I'm already logged into my account. After you're logged into your account, you can see over here you'll be led to the home interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see your total balance. Also, you'll be able to find the option for receive, send, swap and buy. If you want to buy the Bitcoin, it is very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the buy option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find the crypto. What you have to do is find the option for Bitcoin. You can see the option for Bitcoin over here. All you have to do is tap on it. If you do not find this option over here, you can also search for it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the buy interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter the amount that you want to buy. Simply type in the amount, or you can also choose from the options over here. You'll also be able to see the amount of BTC that you'll receive. Now after you enter the amount, all you have to do is tap on the buy option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to this kind of page. Now all you have to do is confirm your order. Select the payment method over here. You can see over here right now MasterCard is selected. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here you'll be able to select the payment method. Simply tap on the payment method of your choice, or you can also add a payment method if you want. All you have to do is tap on the option add a payment method. After that, go ahead and add a payment method for yourself. Here I'm just going to go with MasterCard. You can see the address over here. You can also see the receiving amount. Now what you have to do is check on this box that you can see right over here. By checking on this box, you agree to MoonPay's terms of use. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the pay option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now wait for a while and your payment will be processed. After your payment is processed, you'll be able to receive the Bitcoin. So that is how you buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.